Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. What are we doing today?
Yeah?
What you
We are
doing
going
today?
to eat Cold Stone.
Guys, your man is just on Cold Stone.
Anyway, we are going to Vivo.
You say you go buy now, is it maternity clothes you call it or what?
Nah.
What you call it?
I'm buying a dress that I can put on even after.
So what you call these maternity clothes?
No. Is this a maternity clothes I'm having?
So what you call those clothes that mothers wear?
Maternity clothes, but that's not what I'm buying.
Yeah.
I'm just buying like skater, nice dress. That's, you know, this one you can put on whether when you're pregnant or not.
Okay. Yeah, family. So we're actually heading out. Miss Jam Tours. So she want to buy a dress and she want to have some Cold Stone ice cream.
Yay!
She craving again for Cold Stone ice cream.
Despite.
And what she's eating here is figs and Brazil nuts, family.
Aki bean. Look at you scared in men I can see.
Yeah, family. So me have some wannabe. I say, oh, you not even sound Jamaican.
Guy, Aki me but there I was to address that thing.
Yeah.
Because I don't get how somebody will say you don't sound Jamaican. Do I sound Kenyan? Huh? Who sounds what there? They are?
Them say me no sound Jamaican. So me want to know who them. Who them a be feelings them a carry. Them done go already and them can't say them sorry. Yeah. Who them a coulda, who them want go flex. Them this Jam Tours and the whole of them depths. Oh, who them a muda, who them want go try. Them got this Kenyan and the whole of them. Oh, yeah, family. So, you know, I'm just gonna chat some patois with Miss Jam Tours. She gonna tell me what me say.
Tell me, baby. Tell me, my love.
Where you go?
I'm going to Sarit. Me going to Sarit. Me going to Sarit. Me have to go to buy some clothes. Me a drive.
Where you go up they go do?
Huh?
Where you go up they go do?
Huh?
Where you go up they go do?
Eating Cold Stone and buying dress.
What me say where you go up they go do? What that mean?
What am I going to do in Sarit? I told you I've never had a problem hearing you.
Yeah, but what problem here?
Nah.
Okay.
Guy, really now?
Sweet.
Well, I can see just that these people are taking the corner too bad and then
Yeah.
the road is wide.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours actually maybe know patois already. Just like when you go into Jamaica now, it's like, you know what I mean? Everything just get activated. You just start to speak like that because that's just around you. When you go outside of Jamaica, family, you can't really speak patois because nobody not really know what it is. Nobody not really understand you.
How do I blink for somebody to pass?
Eh?
How do I blink for him to pass?
Flash it 2 times.
Tup,
Tup.
okay.
Yeah, so
Instead of greeting somebody on the road like car to car, is
Huh?
that the same?
greet them like oh.
I normally see here a thing with matatus or these big trucks. If you know the drivers know each other.
Yeah.
So there's a way they flash on each other.
Oh yeah, they say like aye. Like when them pass you and stuff.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Jamaica, if somebody flash you, the police is just down the road.
Why?
So you have to slow down. Because the police them always have the speeder meter at the corner. So if them see like a police, you know that there's something wrong with your car or whatever, you're carrying too much passenger and stuff. You normally blink you turn back, or you slow down. Let's say you're going too fast.
It's like
then
alerting you.
Yeah, alerting you and stuff. You know what I mean? So they flash it 2 times. That's the only, you know what I mean? But in Jamaica, they drive so aggressive, so you know what I mean?
Like in Kenya.
But yeah, you know, in Kenya, the police is not an issue here because, you know what I mean?
But let's keep addressing that whoever.
Well, I just got a lot of comment on that video that I did.
There's so many comments that I also felt like we really need.
So yes, you're gonna address them.
Yes, I'm the one who's.
Yeah, family. myJam was gonna address those videos, but I just wanna say this and say this. There's so much simp and wimp in the world right now that, you know, when a woman do something wrong, it's like they might try to defend it. You clearly see the receipts that the woman is actually scamming the same man where when I GoPro last, when I this last, it's only man she can call and to send her money direct, and she still a plan team up to scam the man. So that's to show you say, yo, you know what I mean, what I'm saying is like is validated, and you guys are telling me say that's not manly and all kind of thing. But I don't understand.
It's so funny.
If you have your girls growing up, I guess maybe you'll teach them to do the same thing. But and that's the thing. Rule number 1. If you don't want a man, you should not take him things.
Yeah.
Because you know what I mean? You should not take him things. But most of the time, you know what I mean? Even if you and them not in anything, them still want to get things same way. And that's just what it is, family.
But even depending on the man, but let me tell you, I'm just pissed off. However it will come out, I really don't care at this time. Because I think back then maybe when I see some things, you know, you don't even feel like reacting or anything. But where it has reached right now, I'm saying to myself, so because it's a woman who is coming, actually she has not even come out to say the relationship.
And that's the thing, you should not even, and that's the thing, you know, people defending this girl, and the receipt is there, and she's silent. No. And she's silent. So if there's two, so I just have to come out and say your side now. We've been talking about this forever. And I will be forever talking about it. I was waiting for some other receipts to come. I dropped some more receipts.
But you know, I came to realize anything that you see, like her and JB and I don't know who and who, you know, all that.
All of these things, all of this history.
But because she was on the receiving end at this time, she doesn't want to talk.
She don't want to talk. It's
Let me
different.
tell you, people, whoever is whoever it is that they said, oh, my husband doesn't sound Jamaican, that is your own problem. Whether he sounds Jamaican or Trinidad or Kenyan, that's none of anybody's business. Provided he's a Jamaican, that's your own problem. Number 2, what else was this? Hey, also me driving barefoot. Whoever it is that you keep saying I'm driving barefoot, what business of yours is that? People drive however they feel like driving. I can drive without shoes, without clothes. I can drive however I feel like driving. Provided you're comfortable, that's how I'll drive. What else? Number 3, my husband was scammed. You came out with everything, right? The receipts and all that. Yeah. And there are people who will still support the girl. I even don't feel like mentioning her name, to be honest. And somebody else came and said that you are bringing down your fellow black, whatever. Or
that's the thing.
Now let me ask. So, if she was the one who was scammed, you would still be saying the same thing. Kwani she's not doing bad to a black brother or whatever it is that people would want to say. People are so wicked because it's a woman who has done somebody that, because it's a man who is coming to complain, it's a problem. Nobody wants to support you. Well, I got your back. But because it's a woman, because if it was a woman, I'm trying to put vice versa of it. If it was she who came out and say, oh, this man, I was sending him money, everybody will be on her back.
But
right?
Yeah, and that's the thing with
but
JB. When they come down and see all the evidence.
People are so wicked because it's a man who is complaining, and it's not that you're complaining something that you don't know. It's something that is there, you see? It's something that is there. So people should also watch your mouth. Know whatever you're typing in the comment section. Listen first before you talk. Yeah? Listen before you act. Don't just come and bump on people or keep driving barefoot. It's not like I don't have shoes, but they should show them my shoe rack. It's not like I don't have shoes. But also on the case of you and the apartment and being scammed and all that, I feel like somebody should just take their time and read whatever is there and to stop bringing all this on social media. So how when she was bringing JB on social media, who scolded her?
Well, that's the thing with you. People want to eat on social media and shit the same place. You want to eat on social media and shit on social media.
You don't do two things at the same time.
Yeah, you don't do two things. You want to eat from social media because all of these people are support you, giving you a donation.
Eat or shit.
And you're still coming and shitting on somebody and most people that you come in contact with, they're shitting on them. The same people in my house here.
No, it really pisses me off because I came to realize maybe there's a thing in Kenya. I don't know whether that thing has changed. If you're a Kenyan, let's meet in the comment section. You see, when a woman is being mistreated in a relationship, now this is marriage, there's a thing that women, they have the organization that caters for women needs, but there's a certain time that men came out and said so, and you know, here also we have men that beat up their husbands black and blue.
Woman?
Yeah. Cutting their transformers and you know what I mean, The transformer is cut full, there's nothing. But when they go to complain, nobody will hear them, and it's the same thing I'm seeing on YouTube. Now because somebody did so wrong to you, because it's a woman, nobody will hear you.
Even after this Muzungo guy crying on the internet, said the woman beat him up. Beat him up.
Here we have certain ladies, I'll tell you that off camera. They slashed the whole transformer. They beat up their husbands black and blue. It happens. But when they go to complain, nothing. Yeah. So people should really be careful and in the comment section, I feel like people don't even know the use of a comment section. A comment section is for helping me improve on my videos, maybe saying how the video was and all that, you know, but not coming out to start bashing out somebody at what you're saying is a lie. Why are you there? Why are you there?
And nobody can just matter the brother.
And the weird part, you people are so wicked, by the way. You people are so wicked. Why? Whoever it is that Jam Tours is addressing, that they had an issue with, is not even coming out to say anything. So who are you? So who are you to come in the comment section and say what my husband is saying is a lie? Who are you? Yeah?
Yeah, family. Let's go. Let's go to...
let's go to Vivo and eat our cold stone. It's not so clear because of the...
Slum behind the window fan.
This is the Dogoro Gezon.
This one is maybe the peaceful slum.
Yeah.
Very peaceful. You know, when you have war in Kibera, you don't have no war here, no fuss and fight. Maybe if you want to live in the peacefulest, like slum. But I feel like some of these, like them, because they're living in a good era, these things, I think maybe these kids, most of them come out to be good.
Yeah.
Because them can't see the cars there. Yeah. They can't see the house behind them, how big. You see all of these things.
Because you see all those are shanties.
Yeah?
You see those are shanty houses there.
Yeah. So I feel like, these kids, definitely most of them will turn out to be something good. Because for our kids, it's just they need to stimulate a kid mind, you know, and that's it. Yeah. They need nothing more. Even when they come from the dirt.
So is that motivation?
And they see good things around them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That can start to shape their mind.
Well, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, family, this is what it looks like.
This is Gedho. A woman there cutting greens. Yeah. Destiny Runda Hotel.
That's the name?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a kibanda there written Destiny Runda Hotel. Runda area. But that's the bridge, that Mabati wall there. That's the bridge. Then from here you can see the even the walls have changed. The greenery. Everything has changed. And there's a notice there. Runda Estate notice.
Security group all over.
Yeah.
I'm surprised them all regular people.
Actually, there's a lady from Gedogoro who had just been given lift by that X5, BMW X5.
Yeah, family, so the rain drizzling a little bit. Let's go to the rain soon. Let's go. Jam toes have an umbrella.
For one head. Should have taken the big one.
This jam toes not left for umbrella.
Nah. Any organized woman will have the umbrella in the bag. Cut it down. should have seen something else when I was leaving.
Guy,
Guess what?
you change your mind.
No, I didn't change my mind. I picked it.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours finished shopping at the moment. So you like what you get?
Yeah, because good husbands come from above. Because I was coming out and I saw an extra thing and I was like, I'm not leaving this. I know my husband got my back.
Yeah, family, we're gonna go to get some cold stone
Yes.
and go home. The one you like?
Waiting last time.
Yes, let me have this one in a cup. Show me the cup you want, sweetie. Show me one. Which one you want?
The small one.
This one. You don't want them mix it now.
Which one can you mix it with? Which one? What can you mix it with? Which one do you want?
We can mix it with this one, this brown one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
These two. You can do these two, right?
Cold stone. Go on.
No, we did it like in the base service.
Map this one too, you know, look at this one.
Also, let it come like that.
Oh yeah. Looking more nice.
Yeah, I think when you get it to make it together, not.
You feel so? That one has all of the icing.
Thank you.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours get our cream. Oh, yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours get our queen, get our cream. She don't like the corn, it's too sweet. She decided she just want the cup. Just want the ice cream in the cup, family. So, let's go home, head home. Like, share, and comment on the video, family. Let us know your thoughts. Is that anything? Sharon. Yeah, family, so we're actually in a place called At Point. We're actually looking for a blender. That's a blender stopped working. Right. Yeah?
We are in need of a blender.
Yeah. So So we're gonna see what they have. Yay, family. So we actually walk into a store called At Point. It's like an electronic store, household store in Kenya. Anything you want for your house, you can get it there, family. So for ever since, I've been looking for a blender, you know, a professional blender. You know, that's something I always want. I always been just been using this regular blender. Right now we've been using a Kenwood. It's very good, and you know, it's strong, and it's almost doing its time right now, and it's almost, you know, it seems like it's going out. So you know, we're looking to get a professional blender. We're looking at this Kenwood. It looks very nice. It has a lot of feature. You get 2 cups with it, so you know, we like this one. So we're gonna put this one on our Christmas list. This is gonna be on our Christmas list, family, to actually get for the Christmas, this professional blender. So we're looking forward to getting this one. It's a nice one, and you know, myJam Tour seems to loving it. And you know, when you're blending your juice and stuff, you want it to blend out properly. So this will do the trick, family. So we're gonna get this for the Christmas list. So we're just looking at this, looking at this, and this, and this, and this, and that. Yeah, family, this is what Westlands look like at night. This is a place called News Cafe, as you can see. A place called News Cafe. People are having fun. This is what it looks like at night. I said that is what the moving peak. That's the moving peak, family. Let me bring it up for you. The moving peak. It's a rotating restaurant, right? That's the moving peak right there, family. Moving peak. Yeah. So Westlands at night. Nightlife in Nairobi, Westlands. Yeah.